Good morning, ma'am, Endang and friends. Today we will present to you the topic about ocean thermal energy conversion. Before we go to the presentation, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Akmal Nagib and my friends Mareoadhi Christianson, Nazwa Salsabilla, and Rayhan Naufal. In this presentation, we mainly discuss about three topics. The first one is the definition of what is OTEC. Then the second topic is the classification of the system and its benefit and limitation. Next. What is OTEC? OTEC, or Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion, is a method for generating electrical energy using the temperature difference between the deep sea and the near surface water to run a heat engine. Ocean thermal energy conversion is a game-changing technology that leverages the temperature difference in the ocean in the tropics and subtropics areas such as Indonesia to generate unlimited energy without the use of fossil fuels. It boasts a competitive advantage over alternative sources of electricity production regarding accessibility, predictability, affordability, and emissions. Next. So this is the picture of world ocean temperature difference zone map. This picture presents the difference temperature of ocean around the world. So we can see if the orange area in the picture can be used as location for the ocean thermal energy conversion plants. Next. To be economically practical, the temperature differential should be at least 20 degrees Celsius in the first 1000 meters below the surface. The greatest efficiency and energy is produced by largest temperature difference. Next.
So here I will discuss about classification that are tiga topic. Next, there are three types of cyclic engine for outbacks: closed cycle, open cycle, and hybrid cycle. Next, closed cycle. This system uses the warp surface water to favorize a working field, which has low boiling point. Thus, Omnia for expand and turn a turbo generator. Next. Open cycle system actually boils the sweater by operating at low pressure. This produces steam that pass through a turbo generator to produce electricity. And next, hybrid cycle. Hybrid cycle, as its name implies, combination the characteristic of both closed and open cycle system. In this system, warp sweater is fed in a vacuum chamber where it is placed evaporated as in the open cycle process. The system does produce favors the working fluid, which is usually apnea of a closed cycle loop on the outer side of the evaporator. The favoristic working fluid then drives a turbine and generator unit while that steam condensate within the heat exert is urged to produce designated water. Next, on slide benefit and limitation by Nazwa.
So for the last topic, I'm going to talk about benefits and limitation of ocean thermal energy conversion. Next. So there's a lot of benefits from this energy conversion. For the first one is low operating costs. And the second one is huge resource potential. Ocean thermal energy conversion is one of the conventional available renewable energy resource. The maximum estimated potential is 880,000 terawatt-hour per year. And it's also reduced the dependence on fossil fuels. Also, it produces constant power production, being able to provide electricity on a continuous or non-intermittent basis, while also providing cooling without electricity consumption. This technology has low environmental impact, and it also have numerous uses besides power generation. Next. So from this picture, we can see various uses from this ocean thermal energy conversion. These plants not only produce electricity, some configuration can also generate drinking water, and this can improve their economic, particularly for small island communities that have a little local fresh water. In addition, the cold water that the ocean thermal energy conversion plant draws from the ocean depth is rich in nutrients, and this can be used to provide an environmental for aquaculture. The combination of electricity generation, potable water production, and aquaculture can make multiple purpose of ocean thermal energy conversion system economically viable in the future. Next. So this technology not only have the benefit from it, it also have limitation. The first one has expensive production costs. This technology is relatively expensive since the construction of costly plants and infrastructure is necessary before power can be generated. And also disruption of ecosystem. And it also limited to areas with annual thermocline of 20 degrees Celsius. So it only works in a few regions of the world. And the last one, it has a low efficiency. The maximum possible current thermal efficiency of an ocean thermal energy conversion power system is about 7%. The next topic is conclusion presented by Rayhan.
Okay. So the conclusion of this presentation is ocean thermal energy conversion is a method for generating electrical energy using the temperature difference between the deep sea and the near surface water to run a heat engine. It divides to three different types, which is closed cycle system, open cycle system, and hybrid cycle system. This technology has a lot of benefit from it, but there's also weakness from ocean thermal energy conversion.
Did you know that we can use the natural temperature differences in oceans to produce clean electricity, day and night, and all year round? This is called ocean thermal energy conversion, or OTEC. It works best in the tropical equatorial zone. Here, the ocean temperature difference is at least 20 degrees Celsius throughout the year. How does it work? The ocean's warm surface water vaporizes a working fluid with a low boiling point, ammonia for example. The vapor expands and spins a turbine that is coupled to a generator that produces electricity. The vapor is then cooled by cold deep seawater. That way, the working fluid condenses back into a liquid and you can reuse it. This makes it a continuous electricity generating cycle. OTEC can become an important renewable energy source. At Delft University of Technology, we do research to try and make this happen. For example, by helping to develop offshore technology and process equipment for OTEC. If you want to find out more about ocean energy, go to the Delft University of Technology Ocean Energy website.